morning to all of my YouTube people. How you guys doing? Today we're gonna be unboxing this new item that I just got here from my little home studio. It's a mini amp as well. It's a Behringer mini amp AMP800 ultra compact 4-channel stereo headphone amplifier. This is very important when you have a recording studio to let the singer, the musicians hear their own mix. And the good thing about this is it has 4 independent stereo high power amplifier sections, so you don't have to raise the volume on your DAW for them to hear. They can you can just turn a knob and each and everyone will have their own level and be happy. So I didn't want to go, since it's a home setup that I have, I didn't want to go with the bigger version. I think they have another series that's much bigger with a lot of with more inputs. But I really I did my research and I really think this one was a good choice. So again, let's take a look around the box. Like it says here, 4 independent stereo high power amplifier sections, phones level control plus 6 segment output meter per channel, 2 stereo main inputs with level balance controls for individual mixes. So I know a lot of people say, well, Behringer is cheap. I mean, they don't have good qualities, but for many people, Behringer is doing a good job with its products. They've improved a lot of their stuff. Currently at my church, we use the Behringer X32. It has been great. It's been 5 years now. It has been great so far. I mean, for the money, for the amount of features you get from Behringer, it's like it's I don't know what to say. It's like it's a kill. So I mean, with this unit here, it's still the same. You got a lot of bang for your buck because it's like $69, and I bought this, although it's $69, and I bought this with 20% off. I mean, there's no point for me to complain at this point because it's way below $100. So if anything happens, it's almost like you can just throw it out and buy another one with a 3-year warranty. So today's gonna be like I said, an unboxing of this unit, and as you can see, we're just gonna go quickly around what a few features here. Accurate 6 segment LED, 2 headphones outputs per channel, etc. And you guys can read here, pause the video if you want. And I haven't tested yet, so I will let you guys know if I recommend it. But based on what I've seen online, a lot of people are very happy. A lot of people did not expect to get the quality or to get good results from this unit, because they thought, well, it's $69, what can we expect? So let me take off this tape here. Brand new, baby. I bought mine from eBay. Most of my stuff I buy from eBay, but you can get it on Amazon as well. So this is how it looks like when you open it. Very nice, plain, very simple. Let's take it out to see how this baby look. Let me see inside the box. What else do we have? We have a manual here. Most people don't read, but hey, we're gonna save it because I like to save my manuals just in case. I think when you save your manuals and stuff that you have, yeah, Behringer hears us. So when you save your manuals for stuff that you have, I think it increases the value. I don't like to really throw away my manual. So let's see here, what do we have? All right, here's the unit. On the side here, on this side, this whole big hole here, we have the power supply. All right, class 2 power supply for this bad boy. Just regular power head here. Put that on the side. Put the plastic and the star of the show, the mini amp AMP800. There you go. Take this tape off. You know, as usual, if you guys have any questions, just feel free to leave it in the comment below. I will respond to you as soon as I can. I really like, you know, getting you guys questions, and you know, really enjoy doing these contents as I grow my home setup. And you guys can ask me any question about what do I have for my home studio, what equipment am I using. I like to review things that I am using and not things that, you know, I don't have. So this is the unit. First of all, it's not a big problem, the fact that it's all plastic. I know some people say, well, it's not metal, but it's all plastic. It's gonna be in a home studio. It's not gonna be, you know, anywhere, you know, where it's gonna be moving around, banged up like crazy. And let me give you guys a close-up here. You got your controls. The A part is up there for your, this is your level, balance, left and right. And then you can see the C here for center, and then this is your B here. So you can have two sets of input. All right, this is your level for A and B. There you go. You got channel 1, channel 2. In input, you can pick between A and B. So you can, if you are, I think you can have two sources into this bad boy. So you can pick whichever one you want to hear. And channel 1 and 2 have their own levels. There you go again, channel 3 and 4. So this, and with the headphones level, the volume level for each channel here, as you can see. You go 4-channel headphone amp. So really good stuff. So let's take a look at the side here. Nothing on the side. All right, let's go to the back. This is your power here, where you put it. All right, so this is where you can this is where you input your source. What I'm gonna be doing is using, I just bought these cables. I really love these Hosa 90 degrees or right angle cable. So this will be connected because I use a Apogee Duet, the first generation. Let me give you guys a quick look of that. This is it right there. So I'm gonna plug, what I'm gonna be doing, I have one headphone output here. I'm gonna plug this here. That's why I got the right angle, so I can have it nice and neat. And from here, I'm gonna plug my left and my right in input A. So you see left, left, right, right. So this is for A, this is for B. So I'm gonna go here and put this one here and this one here. So this is how I'm gonna be using this unit. All right, and the good thing about this little bad boy is you can actually stack them up. So this was a final feature that really made my decision on this bad boy, because you can actually if you want more inputs for more headphones, so this becomes almost like, this becomes modular now. So you can actually add another box, another Behringer Miniamp, and then you just link them through the link out right here, link out A to the next box, and that way you can stack them up and have more inputs. And you do have an extra, there you go, phones out. They put the outputs on the back as well, which is very nice. I really love. But that link out, the fact that you can stack it up really sold me on this one. I really like that feature here. But this is how I will be using this unit. So I will have my source come into A, and then with that I can control it from the front, and that way I can have my singer can have its own headphones, levels, etc., etc., and I can have my own with my own level and keep my level and my DAW nice and clean, level. I'm not where I will not be clipping, etc., etc. So well, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will let you know if I recommend this unit, because I haven't tried it yet, but I've seen a lot of great reviews, and again, for the money, I think it's a great buy. But I will let you guys definitely know. Oh, this little ventilation part here. I will definitely let you guys know how this works. Or if you guys are interested in these HOSA right angle cable here, this is a 3-footer. Let me just quickly show you the box and which model it is. There you go, STP200RR right angle insert cable, 1/4 inch in TRS. There you go. So if you guys are interested in that, if you guys have any questions, again, as usual, just leave it in the comment below, and I will be more than happy to respond. Again, subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to grow my channel. I'm trying to share any knowledge that I have, or share any product, share the review of any product that I buy as I build my little home studio. And that way, a lot of new people out there who's trying to build their own home studio, I can be a reference to them if they're looking for a particular unit. If I have it, or if I've experienced working with it, I'll do my best to answer you and recommend the best. That's it. Thank you guys again for watching my videos. I really appreciate your time. Please subscribe, share the video. Again, if you haven't, let's have a conversation. If you have any questions, just put it in the comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.